De Resolutie van Zuiderveld is a graphic company. We build and we print. In building we do indoor signage, outdoor signage. And in print we have almost every technology what is available on the market at the moment. And we are really specialized in wallpaper printing. We are working now for more than 30 years with Xeikon. And so we know everybody there, we know that they solve our issues and they solve our problems. And also the ideas we have, they listen to our ideas, and that makes the collaboration or the cooperation together really worthwhile. One of our core machines, the most important machine, is our Xeikon engine. First we started with digital printing of brochures, business cards, flyers and all other stuff. Yeah, we saw that that market was moving to an area we couldn't compete. So we were thinking about what can we do more with the Xeikon. And one of the unique things of the Xeikon is printing long sheets. I think we could make wallpaper. So we started looking for materials and all those stuff, talking with Xeikon. First we had some other software in the early beginning to create the panels of the wallpaper, and now it's integrated in the front-end software. X800 software, that's what we're using at the moment. That was also a really important part, because from there on we could divide the panels in strokes, and we could put our technology in there, and also the names and the role dividers and the header pages, and that makes it much easier for us. In that process we found out that we weren't the best designing company in creating or designing collections, so we made the choice to stop developing collections and just print for third parties, and that makes it quite easy to work with a lot of companies. The software we work with the X800 system, and we have developed our own print cloud. And the print cloud is a system that hangs above all our ERP systems and the X800 system. So with our print cloud we can connect to every web shop there is on earth. So we've got our API tools for all those web shops. Then we agree with our client from, okay, what kind of status do we activate our software on? So that could be paid, or that could be ready for shipment, or ready to the Resolutie, whatever we agree. The moment that the status is triggered, we download the order with our software from the website or from the web shop of the client, or we have the files digitally on stock, because it's a standard role. We prepare those files with all the job data files. We throw them in the X800 software, and there we add all the QR codes and all the communication we need to ship this order and to recognize the orders. It's produced, and at the end of the day we scan the QR code, we ship the roll, we insert the marketing inserts, and it's ready for the end user. So recently we did an investment in the TX500. It's a new engine from Xeikon with the Titan toners. And we choose for the Titan toners not only for the new foil technology we have, but also because the Titan toner is scratch-free and the Titan toner is resistant to chemicals. The most important thing why we bought the Titan machine is to use the Titan toner for the metallization of the wallpaper. And this is something what gives us the third layer, substrate, print and foil. When you compare it to traditional or regular metallization technology, we can place the foil exactly on 20 micron accurate over a length of 1500 meters without a repetition, without repeat. And that's something unique. So with the Titan toner you can screen your foil. And screening means that you can print gradients, or you can print grayscale foil effects. So you can print a black and white image in copper or in gold, and that's really unique. Never been done before. And that gives us a lot of benefits for my clients. And my clients are already designing with them, they're already selling this wallpaper, and the results are really amazing. And also the feedback from the end users, they are so happy, they love it, it's beautiful, and it's something they've never seen in their life. My clients know that when they work with me, we always have the latest technology. I think this is only the first step to some other things we are going to make in the future.